guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And once you see me in the apron, you know what time it is, right? I am back with Mel's Kitchen. I promise you guys that once I move and settle, I will be back with my cooking videos. And like I promised, I stick to my promise. Okay, so today I'm going to show you quick and easy how to make one of my all-time favorite shrimp dish, which is called shrimp in coconut sauce. I'm going to serve that with some spaghetti. So I'm going to show you quick and easy how to make this dish. And before we go ahead and start, here are the ingredients that you're going to need. We're going to be using some shrimp, which I already went ahead and pre-seasoned with just salt and pepper and some herbal seasoning. I'm going to use some garlic. Of course, I cannot cook without my garlic, and I'm going to use just a little bit of thyme for flavoring. I'm going to use some assorted sweet peppers, onions, coconut milk, olive oil. I already went ahead and preheat my pot, which I'm going to put my olive oil in real quick. Okay, if I want more, I'll add. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to throw all my seasoning in there just to get the flavor into the oil before I add my shrimp. I'm just gonna mix this around to get all these flavors out nicely. Then once I get all my flavors extracted from all these seasonings, I'm just going to put my shrimp in just for a few seconds to get that shrimp really have a nice color. And then I'm going to add my coconut milk just to let it simmer. Now that I think I've get most of what I want, it smells really good. So now I'm going to add all my shrimp. I'm just going to throw all my shrimp in here. I also forget to tell you guys that I'm just going to drop these 2 cubes of sugar into my pot just to bring out my flavor some more, basically. To bring up the taste nice. You just need a little bit of sugar just to bring up the flavor, nothing much. Look at all these colors, you guys. Let me show you all the colors happening in here. That is looking really beautiful. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead now and add my coconut milk. And I'm just going to let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And this will be really, really yummy. This is one of my husband's favorite shrimp dish. He loves when I make this dish, and the sugar helps to bring up the coconut flavor really nicely. So that's one of my main reasons for adding the coconut milk. So that is just simmering right now. We're just gonna leave this for 3 minutes and our shrimp will be ready. I'm just going to go ahead and cover this for the 3 minutes to just let it simmer really nicely. After a few minutes, this is what my shrimp looks like. And the fact is, I want my sauce a little more thick. It's too runny for the consistency that I'm going for. If you want, you can leave it at this consistency, but I want it a little more thick. So I'm going to use a little bit of cornstarch just to make it a little bit more thick. So I'm just gonna throw this in there and just let that simmer for another few seconds. Now that I have my consistency right, I went ahead and made my pasta ready in my plate. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my shrimp right on top of my pasta. And I'm just going to go ahead and use some oregano and sprinkle a little right over my pasta just for garnish. Quick and easy, you guys. There you have it. Your shrimp in coconut sauce is ready. It smells so yummy and I can't wait for hubby to dig in later. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for a lot more of these videos coming your way, and subscribe if you're new. Please share this video. Enjoy cooking, and if you ever tried any of my video, don't be afraid to comment down below. Tell me how it worked out. Add whatever you want to add to it. It's quick and easy for when you're on the go. It's quick and easy for the entire family. Enjoy, and I hope to see you next time on Mel's Kitchen. Bye guys.